My name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So we are continuing basically digital electronics series, and I already taught you like K-map, and in that basically we completed with the SOP also, sum of product. Now we are seeing basically POS form, that is product of sum. So in that basically what we have, like I took the example on K-map only, like we can see the K-map also with that. Okay, so we can practice the K-map, and in that only basically we can solve the POS form also. So we can write 0 1. I already taught you 0 1 is there in 0 1. So but in 0 we are writing bar, right? But in this POS form we have to put bar on one side, like 1 is there, then we have put bar. 1 is there, basically we are writing 1. So means that is a reverse case. POS and SOP are the total inverse is there. Okay, so what we need to do, basically we need to just see the basically 0 is there, then you can put the, just remove the bar. Okay, 1 is there, we put the bar. Okay, now in that basically we are forming, like in previous case we are forming the SOP form, that is like we are finding the ones. Now in that basically we need to see the zeros. This 0 is there, this 0 is there. Okay, 0 is there and this 0 we can form. So now what we need to do, just see corresponding bits of a bit, or you can say variable is there. So this is basically A and this is B bar, B. Okay, you have to write in POS form, product of sum. Okay, this is product. Okay, product of sum. So what we are writing, basically product, this product is there. Okay, this is sum form. Okay, now we are producting this part. So this corresponding the A bar, and this basically corresponding for B bar. So this is what product of sum bar. Sum, this is sum, this is sum, we are producting this two. Understood? So this is, we can write the this is one, this is sum form, this is sum form, and we are producting this to sum. Understood? Now basically what we go for the three variables. Here also I wrote the question. Now see, 0 is there, we are writing A, and 1 is there, then we are writing basically A bar. Similarly for 0 0 we are writing in the previous case, this is, you know, this is also having the Hamming distance 1 only, but here see we are writing in the plus form, B plus C. 0 means B, 0 means C. Okay, means what we have, basically whenever we see in the POS form, what we are writing, basically we are removing the bar, and whenever we see 1, we are writing bar here. So basically we are solving in the POS form na. Okay, now we have to make a pair of group, and but in that we have to make a pair of 0 only. Okay, and now maximum possibility is 8, but all zeros are not there, so we can go for the like 4 is there. Yes, here you can make a group of 2 only. After 4 we have 2. Understood? Go reversely, like 16 8. Okay, 16 8 4 2 1. Understood? And basically this we form. So how we can write, this is correspond to, see, in we are forming this pair of, okay, this is the group, and this is the group of 0 of 4, that is, and none of the bit is common in this case. Okay, so we are forming this only, that is we will get basically A. And in this like vertical case is there, nothing is common, so we need to write this only, product form B and this. Understood? Okay, now we go for the next three variables. Now we go for the next three, which is in the vertical form. Okay, now we'll see, same thing is written. I wrote each and everything, like bits, corresponding bits I have also wrote, and A plus B, A plus, how you can write it. Okay, so you will not confuse in the POS form. Okay, understood? Now we can make a group of 0 only, this is there, and this 1 only is there, then 1 is there. Basically see, this is the block of 8. After 8 you can write for 4, and 4 zeros are not there. You can see this is only 2 zeros are there, and after 2 we can go for the group of 1. Okay, now in that what thing is common? B, 0 0 is common, so means A. And what is common? Basically nothing is common, only one thing is there, that is C. Understood? Now in that basically only one variable means 1 0 is there, means 1 means 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 means none of those variable will be there. Neglect. How? Just listen first. I am writing, and then I will explain. This is basically 0, then we need to write A bar this, and C will be there, C bar will be there. Understood? So what happened, here I form a group of 2. Okay, 2 zeros are there, means 2 is 0 matlab 2 raised to 1. Okay, means how many variable I can neglecting? one variable. So out of 3 variable a, b, c, I am neglecting one variable 1. Suppose here in this case what I neglect b. This is forming a group of 0. 1 1 1 0 is there, means 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 means 1. Okay, means how this I already taught you. This stands for number of variable. So how many zeros are variable neglecting out of this a, b, c? None. 0 means nothing, so nothing. So means all 3 variables are there in the expression. Understood? Means you can see when more the possibilities of forming the group means you are neglecting the variables, means you are reducing the variables. What you want basically, this is the main use of K-map is what? Basically we are neglecting, we are reducing the expression, whatever because it's the simplicity we want, right? So we are simplifying our basically our expression, whatever the logic boolean expressions are there. Okay, some critical expression is there, so you can basically even remove it by using K-map. Okay, understood? So I think this much is clear. Okay, so 0, only 1 is there, basically 3 variable will be there, only 1 is there, then 2 variable is there. Okay, now basically we are going for 4 variables. This is also I wrote, this is AB and this is for CD. Just you need to form a group. So first for 16, go for the possibility of 16 with this 4 variable, but 16 is there, that 16 is not there. So what we have basically 1 1 is there. So you can form, now go for the 8 you can go. After it you go for the 4. This is 2 there, and we can make a group of like this 4 in this way. Understood? Now what you need to do basically just write expression of this case. So this is like forming common. What will be the common in this? Basically the common is C only, C. Okay, here there is nothing is common. Okay, here there is a common, and for this case there is a common. Yes, A is common, and for this 2 you just see that those 2. See, this is this column we are talking, and this common, so we will go for this only. Okay, this 2 we are talking. So A plus D. Understood? And we wrote in the POS form only. I think this much is clear for the POS. POS means product of some part sum. This is nothing is there, but is a product, POS form only. Understood? This is main thing is product of some part is there. Understood? This is not clear. How much? See, in this case we form 8 group, 8 zeros are there, means 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, that is equals to it, and this corresponds the number of variable. Okay, this corresponds the number of variable, and this variable means how many variable we are there originally? 4 variable there, and we how many variable we neglect? 3 variable is neglect, means how A, B and D, and we wrote only C in the final expression. Understood? So what is the use of K-map? Understood, right? What is the POS form? That you understood, product of sum, and in previous class we studied basically sum of product. That much is clear to all. Okay, just go on practicing whatever we are learning, and understand basically that this is the basic class for this digital electronics. Okay, like in that basically K-map is really important. Digital electronics like K-map is one of the major case, okay, where we can many questions are there in the exam. Understood? So I think this much is clear. We'll see the next topic in the next class. That is, I think we are studying like a prime implicant and essential prime implicant in the next class. Till then, thank you so much.